As the school year kicks off, more kids and families will be hitting the trails to get to school, practices, and more. Let's talk trail safety and how to find the best route before you head out. Whether you're biking, walking, or scootering, use our interactive Parks and Trails map to find the safest path. Prefer a hard copy? We've got printed versions too at erieco.gov/trail map. While you're out there, remember to stay to the right, pass on the left and announce it, keep pets leashed, and be courteous and aware. And for some throwback fun, here's who you might see out on the trails this fall. Happy back to school, Erie. We're wishing you a fun and safe year ahead. September is shaping up to be a busy month for cultural arts here in Erie, with new programs and returning favorites for the whole community.
We are starting a brand new lecture series that's being hosted at Briggs Street Books in downtown Erie, and that's called Art Between the Lines Lecture Series. That takes place on Wednesday night, September 3rd.
And for the first time, Erie will host Shakespeare in the parking lot.
That takes place Saturday, September 13th at noon at Erie Community Park at the Pump Track parking lot. This is a really great example of Shakespeare, and it's about an hour-long experience for multiple ages to come and enjoy. Long chairs or blankets are highly encouraged since we will be on a parking lot.
Music lovers also have something to look forward to.
We also have a great partnership with Boulder Philharmonic. They're bringing a great event that's great for all families of multiple ages to come and enjoy. So we have usually arts and crafts, some sort of string instrument petting zoo, as well as a live performance with the Boulder Philharmonic String Quartet.
That performance happens Sunday, September 21st.
That one requires some registration, so hurry up before it gets full.
From live music to Shakespeare and more, September offers something for everyone. For full details, head to the Town of Erie website.